In this video, we'll take a look at an exceptional soundbar, the Sonos Arc Ultra. A premium soundbar that transforms the audio in your living room for spectacular, cinema-like experiences. The Sonos Arc Ultra is an impressive soundbar, and that's immediately clear when you first encounter the product. It's large, which means it's packed with features to match. This is a reinvented soundbar, the most powerful in Sonos' portfolio, and a model that brings a new acoustic architecture with 14 Sonos-developed drivers, plus advanced technologies like sound motion. It boasts a 9.1.4 channel configuration compared to the original Arc's 5.0.2. It also features a new speaker placement that maximizes the performance of the center channel for clear dialogue, and upward-firing drivers reflect sound off the ceiling to deliver a realistic spatial audio experience. Additionally, side-firing drivers disperse sound from wall to create a wider soundstage. Regarding sound motion, this technology delivers top-tier clarity, depth, and balance, so you hear every frequency with increased accuracy and double the bass of the original Arc. You can pair a Sonos sub to complete the cinematic experience. And if you want to take things to the extreme, you can add Sonos Era 300 rear speakers to your system. And that's not all. You can even connect another subwoofer for a true bass earthquake in your living room. Here are the main specifications for the Sonos Arc Ultra. 15 Class D digital amplifiers, precisely tuned for a unique acoustic architecture. 7 silk dome tweeters, angled precisely to create high frequencies and clear dialogue. 2 of these are upward firing, creating dedicated height channels for spatial audio. Mid-woofers, 6 for clear playback of mid-range frequencies. Sound motion woofer, 1 dual diaphragm woofer that delivers exceptional bass. Microphones, far-field setup with beamforming technology and multi-channel echo cancellation. Audio features, adjustable EQ, true play tuning technology, night sound function, which reduces the intensity of loud sounds and increases the level of quieter ones. Supported audio formats, stereo PCM, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Atmos True HD, DTS Digital Surround. Seamless switching between the soundbar and Sonos Ace headphones. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. To build a complete audio system, you can pair the Sonos Sub 4 subwoofer with the Arc Ultra. It features dual Sonos drivers that produce astonishing bass and low-frequency output, allowing you to feel every sound. Its special acoustic architecture eliminates any distortion, and when paired with the soundbar, it delivers highs and mids with top-tier clarity and precision. Interestingly, the subwoofer can be placed either vertically or horizontally, even under your couch. Here are the main specifications for the Sonos Sub 4. Dual Class D digital amplifiers, tuned for the subwoofer's unique acoustic architecture. Dual 5 inches by 8 inches elliptical woofers, inwardly facing for a force-canceling effect that virtually eliminates distortion. Frequency response, extends down to 25 Hz. EQ, adjustable. True play, tuning technology. Regarding connectivity, immediately is noticed the biggest advantage over the original Arc, Bluetooth 5.3 support. This means you can play music from any device, not just your TV. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and HDMI eARC, which allows the soundbar to be controlled using your TV's remote. Regarding other features, the Sonos Arc Ultra also has a separately sold optical audio adapter if you prefer to use that playback method. You get voice control with Sonos Voice Control and Amazon Alexa. And if you have an Apple device, you'll enjoy AirPlay 2 support as long as you're running at least iOS 11.4. The soundbar also has touch controls on the top for play, pause, skip, replay, volume adjustment, muting voice control, and grouping Sonos products. There's also a Bluetooth button on the back, which you press to connect your smartphone, for example. You'll also find the on-off toggle for the microphone on the back. Final impression, an unforgettable sonic journey. Words truly fall short when describing the Sonos Arc Ultra Plus Sub 4 system. It's an experience you need to live through to grasp its impact on your living room. I maximize my time testing these two products, from playing music via TV or smartphone to indulging in movies and series on rainy days, all with sound that genuinely warmed up the atmosphere. Honestly, there wasn't a single moment I dared to push the soundbar to maximum volume, fearing I'd upset the neighbors, especially with the subwoofer already vibrating the floor. The Sonos Arc Ultra is designed to awaken your acoustic senses. Whether you're enjoying music or movies, The sound quality is simply superlative. Dialogues are incredibly clear, voices are perfectly rendered, and the rich audio fills the entire room, especially after calibrating the space with your phone. Should this soundbar and subwoofer somehow lead to a police complaint, I suspect the officers would struggle to believe that the disruptive music originated from the sleek soundbar beside your TV. I was consistently amazed while watching movies and series with the Sonos Arc Ultra and Sonos Sub 4, even in the evenings when I'd lower the volume, always mindful of quiet hours. The subwoofer delivers such profound low frequencies that, at one point, a pulse beat in a scene made me flinch with every thump. Sonos clearly excels in home theater, and this is undoubtedly the setup you'll want for your home. I particularly appreciate the smaller dimensions compared to the original Arc, which was quite bulky, as well as the top-tier audio features and the long-awaited addition of Bluetooth streaming. Pricing remains consistent with Sonos's premium reputation, reflecting the exceptional quality and overwhelming sound experience these products deliver. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.